Okay, here's a short video to show you a little repair tip on a pair of cross-country ski poles. The way the handle works on this can split the top of the handle because of the wedge of the strap getting pulled down, and when you pull on this you get a lot of force out of your step, and over time it can crack these. Now in the past I have tried using a zip tie just to put it up here, but what I find now that works a lot better is a band clamp, hose clamp. I've put it on both of these. I've used it for a couple of days. It helps if it's just the right size, and if you get it up near the top, what I find is that it's completely out of the way in terms of your hand. If you put it up near the top, there's enough room up there that you don't need that. And the clamp, you can tighten it so much that even if you do bump into it, it doesn't move. That's not true with zip ties. Okay, I did try zip ties. Now I did one other thing here that I wanted to show you a little bit. This is the first time I tried this. I've had these poles for many years. It's very icy out. What I've noticed is I wasn't getting a grip in the ice. My poles were sliding off it. Now normally, if it's not an ice pack, it's okay because you've got the basket and you're pushing off of the snow, and even if it's a little bit of crust, that'll go into it. But when it's really, really icy underneath a couple of inches of fluff, which is right now, you want to get a grip. So what I did was, I just took a file and I just filed. Now this is not a very sharp angle, if you notice, if you can see it. It's tough to focus it to get the right amount, but it's about just at 90 degrees. The reason for this is that when this is digging in it and you're pushing, let me show you the angle of it. It's angled like this as you're pushing into the surface. Maybe this will give you the idea. And when it's pushing behind you, that's how it digs in, okay? If you've got the pole the right way. Do not put your poles on backwards, okay? It doesn't really dig in that way. You can imagine that it's not going to dig. This is the way it digs. That's one way to tell how to put your poles on correctly, okay? The other way is to look at the strap and to see how you put your hand through it, but anyway. Okay, just a little bit of help there and advice. Okay, bye.